Happy Tuesday. Let's drink coffee. Just eat this bread and drink coffee with peanut butter. I'm in the balcony to have sunlight at the same time while drinking my coffee. You wanna see the sun? It's the sun for 6:15. Yes. Need to comb my hair. I'm busy today because I need to wash the clothes today. The clothes in also all the cover the bed that I removed last Sunday. And I'm gonna iron also later this afternoon. You wanna take a picture? There, the sun is there. That's the 6 o'clock sunrise.